Sharks.
What we doing, boys?
Flying to Seattle.
Getting excited.
Heading for Alaska, huh? Heck yeah. How do you guys feel about it? Dad snoozing?
Alright.
Getting pretty stoked. Excited for this.
Spike by 5.
There's the airplane we just got off of. Alaskan Airlines. Just arrived in Seattle, Washington. Anybody have anything to say?
It's raining.
Alright.
Pretty good landing. Go Team
Yeah.
Earhart.
Yeah. Next stop, Alaska. Here we come. I don't know if you can see that, man. Next flight to Anchorage.
This is a healthy snack. How much was that?
I don't know. Ty bought it for me.
Oh.
What?
Where's mine?
You didn't come with me.
The board.
On our way to Alaska. Into Alaska.
Heading to Alaska. This one takes us to Anchorage. I'm almost there.
Also, for those of you that picked up one of those Easter applications, go ahead and give it to the flight attendants in the aisleways and don't give them out. Thank you.
Well, we just touched down in Alaska. Pretty excited about that. Well, I haven't officially touched Alaskan soil yet, but I've made it to Anchorage, Alaska in the airport. Got some pretty cool stuff in here. An old plane. Walking over here right now to check out this big old bull moose. Pretty cool. Those things are freaking massive. Holy crap. Look at that sucker.
If you miss that, you're a crappy shot.
I think you're right. Man, he is massive. Wow. Pretty gnarly. What you think of it, Dad?
Big. You guys want a picture of it together?
Yeah. Probably ought to. Massive bowl.
Greedy guy.
Stake it down, and then he stays out there when the tide comes in. Oh, thank you.
That's the way there's a kid I bought my dog from. His brother went and was out sea duck hunting. He said they would have stuck him on these little pillars that were just sticking out that way above the sea, you know. Really? He said the waves are just pounding there, so they just put him out there with a life jacket on and leave him.
Local time is 6:56 p.m. Keep your seatbelts fastened until we arrive at the gate. The captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. You may now use your cell phone, provided that it is within reach. However, keep your laptops and other carry-on stowed until we do arrive at the gate. Also, to all our veterans on board tonight, I'd like to offer you a sincere thank you for your service to our country, and I hope that you have a great rest of your evening.
So where'd you say you live?
In Anchorage now. Around here in Kodiak. It's mid-90s. Been out of here most of the years. I'm back out of here in 2008.
We are on Kodiak Island. Can't see much up here.
Is that a moon dog or a sun dog, Bert?
I'd say moon dog because the sun's not out.
What does a moon dog mean?
I couldn't tell you. Stay in this big old nice A-frame shack here. I'll show you around, but looking pretty good. Don't lock me out.
So Wednesday's okay. She picked us up Wednesday night.
Yeah, Wednesday's
And then-
good. It's Thursday. There's 80% chance on Thursday, 60% chance on Friday, 40% chance on
All
Saturday.
right, let me go check it out.
Yeah, and snow on Sunday.
How come it didn't show up when we looked at it? I told you to change it. Oh, it's gonna go in here.
What's the matter? Did you guys just find out I was right about the weather?
No.
It's shit the whole time we're here.
Other than tomorrow Wednesday.
The Airbnb we're staying at here. It's a pretty nice place.
Still two people got to share the bed upstairs. It's you and all your boys. I'm not touching. Then there's two beds down here. So we'll sleep on the couch, and there's a cot right there.
We might as well grab three of us in there. then.
Yeah. Why mess up a couple of these beds? You're gonna sleep in the king size one.
It's crack me up.
No food. No food.
cool bear photo.
Oh, I'm sure we could find a place to go get some food if we need to.
Not much. I mean, I think we need to think about.
Very nice place.
Well, just remember, the more you take, the more you pay for.
That's the top of my list, but 40 grand, 30, 40 grand.
Shoot him again, he's all yours. You got
Look,
a dead bear.
One shot.
he's done. He's done.
Found him.
Oh,
Did you know that the guys shoot him right? They have to.
If what?
They have to.
What?
The guys.
we got.
You see how there's 2 gunshots, boom, boom?
Oh, the guide has to
The
shoot?
guy.
Made a friend here in Kodiak Island, Alaska. Grow here. See that?
You look hungry.
Weird little guy.
Scared them away. Maybe you feed them some more and they'll come back.
Come back to me. He likes me. We're friends. Hey, buddy. He's coming.
Well, you might pick your finger off. You never know about him.
This guy's fine. Too windy?
Not hungry anymore.
He is. It's not comfortable because I'm too close to this boardwalk here. There we go. There you go, buddy. How's that? You're welcome.
Apparently Bridger kept feeding the birds. You guys are out of control.
They was out here making weird little noise like right next to us.
It's
kinda cool.
Saw how they did it then, huh? They're scratching our rental truck.
It's just a rental, it's fine. You watch, one of them's gonna do it. If you take too long to feed them, they'll start talking.
Start cussing you.
Uh-huh.
Start cussing you.
They do.
What do you think, Dad?
Get a picture.
They're friendly.
Come right over here and get a picture of your dad behind you.
Don't scratch the truck, fella.
When I started, a murder of crows.
Started a whole dang murder of them.
A murder of them.
Quit being a bully, you puss, and take it.
Brother. You guys-